Okay, so it measures 47. So then you need to go to that tool there, yeah, cursor across to the X. And now, when we press the X diameter measure, all it will do is enter the current position into there. So press that, and that's put the current position in there. But it will come up with a figure down there, which it's sort of remembered. But you've got to cancel that. So we're going to cancel that figure. And then all you're going to do is write in the diameter that you've got, 47, and then you're going to press the enter key. When you press enter, that shifted it, okay? And that should now be correct.